Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you hear this beautiful voice of mine, please like and subscribe. Welcome to Fergie's Kitchen. And to all my old subscribers, welcome back guys. I have something good in store today. Good and funny. Alright? I'm making some roots. This is Jamaican. So here are my ingredients for today. This is yerba mate, peppermint leaves, cheney root, mauby bark, star anise, strongback root, cerasee, and over here is my soursop leaf. A handful of ginseng, so over here I have all those herbs in the pot, and this is gonna be a 3 days process. All right guys, so I'm gonna be sitting there until you see some froth coming out of the wood chips. There's a lot of wood chips under there. So guys, you gotta stay tuned to see the libido lifter, because it's a men thing in Jamaica. For women too, especially for all your hormones. All right, ladies? See you then. Okay guys, this is the second day. You see the froth coming out of the woods? You see that? One more day. Okay guys, I just turned on my stove. You see all that froth coming out of that wood? This is the beginning of the boiling process. Yes guys, for my roots tonic. All right. Okay guys, so this is all my leaves and wood and herbs and you name it, all is all in there. So now I'm gonna strain it. You see how it's rich? So look in the pot guys, you can even reuse these. This is the ginseng. You can reuse everything. I can make another pot. So guys, you need raw cane sugar to mix it. This is my raw cane sugar. I'm gonna put around 3 big spoons, and I'll taste it afterwards. I'm gonna put a pinch of clove, some allspice, just a pinch, and some white rum, like a half of the cap. Yes guys, roots tonic, strong back. This is what we drink our roots out of, calabash. Enjoy guys. Strong up your back. What a man them there. So guys, all you need is this shot right here, a little bottle. You take one shot, half an hour to get you aroused. All right? Just one shot. Don't overdo it now. All right? Please remember to like and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Roots time. Yeah, roots tonic.